Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So for today, I am going to feature another brand and these are all from Royal House Beauty. So she sent me a lot of her products. So there are 10 dip powders here and she also sent me her liquids. So before we go to the liquids, I am going to show you first the dip powders. So I already swatched all of these beforehand so that I can show it to you in this video, and here are all the colors. They are so pretty, especially those glitters, and I really am so excited for all of this. So she sent me some of her solids. It also has a lot of glitters and shimmers. So the two on the right are clear, the one is a clear glow. So here is a closer look of her packaging. The logo there is her branding, and these jars are 0.25 ounce. And moving on to other items, she also sent me her dusting brush, and this is a very fluffy brush. It is super soft. It is really so gorgeous, so I am so excited to use this one. I love the handle. And yeah, moving on to the liquids. So first, she sent me some of her gel products. So these are her jelly gel. So these are the colors. She sent me black, I think the orange and a purple, and it also has her name there. I really love her logo. It is super nice, and the shade name are below the bottle. So I am just going to quickly show you the shades or the colors of each one. So that one is black, this one is like a magenta purple color, and this is a jelly orange. So I am really excited to use this one since I haven't used any jelly gel yet. So yeah, moving on to the other liquids. She sent me her dip liquids. So these are all a complete set of dip liquids with primer, base coat, activator, top coat, and a brush saver. So I am going to test this out today, and yeah, I am really excited because I am always in a hunt for a very nice liquids. So yeah, before that, I am just going to show you the last two products that she sent. These are gel products. So it is a matte top coat and a non-wipe top coat. So here are all the products that the Royal House Beauty sent me. I just want to thank Gabriella, the owner of the shop, for sending all of these. Super thank you again for letting me try your products. So yeah, let's start with the application. So I chose to use two colors, and I will also be testing out her liquids. So I choose these two colors. It is called Aphrodite and the other one is ALECTRONA. So these are perfect fall colors, so I decided to use them. But I already applied a white base for my water slide decal. So first, I am going to start with Aphrodite. I am going to apply this color on my thumb and pinky finger. So the first thing that I noticed with this base coat is that it is not super liquidy. The consistency is just right to my liking, and it doesn't have a strong smell. So I do have a peel base underneath, and it is not sticking to my peel base, so it lays smoothly. So far, I don't have any issues applying this liquid, and look how pretty this color is. So this color is more of a berry looking in person. Maybe my lighting is affecting the color, but nonetheless, I really love the color. And yeah, for this base coat, it is really nice, but it is not slow drying, so just a heads up for that. If you don't like a fast drying liquid, this one is a fast drying, so you have to be fast to clean your cuticle area. But honestly, I prefer a fast drying liquid more because I do dip fast, and sometimes I don't have a patience to wait for my dip liquid to be dry first before I dust off the excess powders. So sometimes I ruin my brushes because of that, but it's just a matter of preference. This one is not super fast drying. You still have a time to clean up your cuticle area before it gets fully dried. So I am now applying my second layer of color, and honestly, her dip powder is so pigmented, and that is just one coat, and as you can see, it already covered my entire nail. This color is really gorgeous. It has a silver sparkle or shimmer into it. It is super nice. So yeah, this is after I did 2 coats. So now I am going to apply the next color. This one is called ALECTRONA, and I'll be applying this on my middle finger. So this color is more of a champagne gold. It has a nice purple shift into it. So this is after I applied that color. So now I am going to clear encapsulate, and I'll be using Crystal Crown. So this is her regular clear powder. She also has the other clear dip powder, but that one glows blue in the dark. So I'm going to use the other one, which is just a clear powder, and I am going to clear encapsulate everything, especially those glitters, because we will be doing some minimal filing just to protect those shimmers. So after applying all the clear, I am now going to activate. This is step number 3. I'm going to apply this to all of my nails and then let it fully dry before I start my filing and shaping. So this is after I did all my filing and shaping. So now I am going to apply some water slide decal from Poshy Nail Design, and this one is called Megan's Paradise. So I already cut the decal and let it sit in the water while I apply base coat. And then I will let this cure in the lamp for 60 seconds, and after curing, I am now going to remove the decal from the water and make sure to drain some of the water, and I'll be using this Poshy Nail stamper to apply the decal. And I am just going to cut the excess decal because I really do have a narrow nail bed, so sometimes I do get a lot of extra decal from the sides. So I just trimmed that down, and for that extra one, I'm just going to tuck it in, and this is after I did that. And I'm just going to do the same for my pointer finger, and this is after I did the same process. So now I am almost done. I am just going to apply top coat, and we'll be using this non-wipe gel top coat from Royal House of Beauty, because you know me, I always use I prefer to always use the gel top coat. I really find it more shiny and durable with the gel top coat rather than using the regular dip top coat. But don't get me wrong, the regular dip top coat is also nice. It's just a matter of preference. So yeah, I am going to apply all to all of my nails and then cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. So after curing, this is how it looks like. I am now going to apply cuticle oil, and as usual, I am going to use Scales of Mermaid. So this is the finished look. I really love how this mani turned out. These dip powders are so beautiful, and yeah, I'll be putting all the products that I use in the description box, so make sure to check them out. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate all of you, and yeah, thank you and see you again next time. Bye!